Hi, welcome to Tech Chain. I'm here to share basic concept of domain and workgroup today. Let's go into the topic. First, we'll see what is workgroup. Workgroup, which is a peer-to-peer Windows computer network, and you can use your login credentials to log in into your system. Only you have the access to uh, use your system. So no computer has a control over another computer. Like buying a laptop from the seller, you already create the username and password. So if somebody is trying to log in with their user credentials on your PC, it won't allow you. Even switch user will not help to log in into your PC. Okay, consider you have 4 systems at your home and you recently purchased a laptop, and if you are trying to use computer A credentials on laptop A, it will not allow you to access this laptop because every PC has a dedicated credentials to log on, and also each device has its own dedicated storage, and every device work independently. It will not work together. Okay, and let's see what is domain. And it's a grouping of computers or devices in the same network or different network. Okay, it's like a client server model where user can log in on any device at workspace. Suppose you have a switch where few devices are connected, like computers, laptops, directory server, file server. All devices are connected together, and you can log in from any system, either computer A or computer D or laptop B, any system, by using your assigned user credentials. And those credentials are saved in directory server. So to connecting these devices, domain controllers are used from directory server, where you are able to log in into your PC, and it will also allow you the access. If you want to access any file or any application, you can get it from the file server once you log on into the PC. And this kind of login, we can call it as remote login. Okay, so domain controller is used, directory server is used, and centralized storage, where you can access the files, folders, applications, and any software that you want to install, you can get it from the centralized storage. Whatever information that you are uh, that you are doing on your computers, that will be saved on centralized storage. User account, usually it's saved in Active Directory. Okay, and it stores the information of user credentials to access the system. Okay, and let's see what is the difference between domain and workgroup. Domain have a centralized database, and workgroup, it has only the local database. And domain is mainly used to share sensitive and important data. And workgroup, you can access your personal data, so it's a less secure. Domain mainly used in public and business network. Consider, let's say, customer service or call centers. We can see hundreds of people or thousands of people log in by their shift. So they don't have a dedicated PC assigned. They can log in anywhere in the office by using their credentials and access their network. That is the best example for domain. In workgroup, consider IT people or managers. They have their laptop or dedicated PC which is assigned to them. So they can only use that particular dedicated system to access and work on it. That is called workgroup. That particular PC or system belongs to workgroup. Okay, and compared to workgroup, domain has a high security, And domain works mostly on large number of devices where we can group many devices together. And work group, we can have only the less people are grouped together. In this, domain controller is used to assign the name for that particular PC, and in workgroup there is no dependencies or hardware to assign the name. And in case if you lost any data while accessing or while working on, you can recover it from the centralized storage in domain. In workgroup, we don't have an option of centralized storage. We have only the local storage. If you lost it, we cannot retrieve it back. Okay. And now, how do we check whether our PCs or our system belongs to domain or workgroup? So for this, go to control panel, then system and security and system. Then here you can see if your PC belongs to workgroup, it mention as workgroup. If it belongs to domain, it mention it as domain. Nowadays in Windows 10, we don't see an option in system. Go to advanced system setting, then you can see whether your PC belongs to domain or workgroup. Okay. And remember, your computers on the home networks usually a part of workgroup, and the computer belong on workspace usually a part of domain. Okay. Consider in workgroup and domain. Suppose you are working on an application or you are creating a Word document for your project, and suddenly your system got crashed or your system suddenly shut down. Okay, consider you're working on computer A and work group, and in domain you're working on computer A. So your PC restarted. Here also your PC restarted. So once it restarted, it starts from a fresh page. You cannot retrieve your file until and unless it's saved in your local database. Here, suppose your PC is restarted and you don't have a time to work on it and you logged in on another system, or your PC restarted back, log in back. Okay. Then wherever you left off on your document, you can resume the work and you can proceed with your work. So your data is already available. Where it has been retrieved, it retrieved from the directory server. Okay. From the centralized database, whatever information that you saved or that you're working on your systems, that will be retrieved from the directory server. This is the advantage of domain and workspace. So it has high security and it has less security. That's all. Thank you, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe for my channel for more videos.